Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, autonomous braking, traction control, audio, internet radio, Pandora, compass, clock, power brakes, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.